The University Grants Commission, via its Gazette notification, notified the regulation of Academic Bank of Credits in Higher Education. ABC, with DigiLocker, stores all academic credits earned by students from various higher education institutions. To register, students can log on to www.abc.gov.in. Create a unique ABC login ID through DigiLocker using mobile or Aadhaar number. Enter security PIN. Log into student account and add personal information to authorize the account. Access ABC student dashboard, which displays the academic credits mapped to the student's ABC ID. Select the credits of choice. Initiate transfer by selecting the beneficiary academic institutions. Provide additional details to complete the credits transfer. Check the credits transfer request status and get notified of the credits transfer using their exclusive ABC account. With ABC, get the academic flexibility, acquire the proper foundations and achieve your ambitions. Further, National Academic Depository platform, in collaboration with DigiLocker, is a 24/7 online storehouse for all academic awards. These are uploaded by academic institutions to prevent forgery and allow authentic data verification. To register, academic institutions can log on to www.nad.gov.in. Sign up with DigiLocker. Enter mobile number to get OTP. Enter OTP and set a security PIN and sign in. Access AI dashboard and select Records section. Click on Download CSV, select Record Type and click on Download a sample CSV file. Prepare student data as per the CSV format and compress the .csv file in .zip format. Click Upload records of desired department, course type, degree name, area of specialization, year of examination, and record type. Select the desired record and click on Verify CSV records. Upload the record files and click on Submit. Check the upload status to access latest uploaded activity. When academic institutions submit student data to NAD, students can register to view and pull their academic awards to their individual DigiLocker account. Now, no more worries about misplacing your documents. With NAD, carry your awards and certificates on your fingertips.